The sentiment score for the world is currently sitting at plus 0.09, with a momentum of plus 0.50, a significant spike compared to the historical baseline. This uptick suggests a sudden surge in positive sentiment, which is noteworthy considering the recent volatility we've observed globally. With 20 semantic clusters identified, this data can help you pinpoint the nuances driving this change. You might use the API to analyze how specific events or topics are influencing sentiment and momentum, allowing you to make informed decisions in your applications or strategies. For detailed documentation on how to leverage this data, check out pulsebitlojEnterprise.com/docs. Dive in and see how this sentiment shift can impact your projects.